Welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name is Harrison and today I'll be going over this 2016 Holden Commodore SS. In this video we're going to go through the interior and the exterior of the car, and I'll also tell you a few features about it. We'll start off just by doing a walk around the vehicle. So as we can see from this little badge down here, 6.2 litre V8 LS3. It's a beautiful sounding engine. Massive brakes on this car, beautiful rims, and the vents as well look absolutely amazing. Massive brakes in the rear as well. You know, if you've got big brakes in the rear, you've got a powerful car. Same go for this side. Rims in good condition. And overall the bodywork of this car is just in really good condition, not many scratches if any. So here at Berwick Mitsubishi we offer a wide range of aftermarket products with just a handful including extended warranties, dash cams, window tint, paint protection, all of that kind of stuff. When you come in, make sure to talk to Dan D'Souza to learn more about it. And we also provide finance here, in which you can come in and speak with our finance director, Julie. Let's start taking a look at the inside of the car now, starting off with the boot. So just on your key, hold the remote button, hold the boot button, and it'll pop up. If you have enough patience, it will make its way all the way up. There we go. Heaps of room in the back. Fit anything you want to in there. Black leather throughout this car, looks absolutely beautiful. Got climate control on the back as well. This car has done just over 99,000 Ks. Very, very nice interior. A lot of nice little carbon fibre bits. Even got paddles. Give it that more sporty feel. This has a premium sound system done by Bose. And let's hear this thing start up. Sounds very, very nice. If you give this thing a rev, sounds even better. Not even properly putting my foot down and it sounds truly beautiful. The car will come with a service book and 2 keys. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.